everyone, if your SIM card isn't working on your Xiaomi phone, I'll help you fix it. This can happen because of hardware, network, or software problems. I've put together easy steps to solve it quickly. Let's jump right in. Now, before trying out the solutions, let's make sure you have no hardware issue. Go to your settings, then tap About Phone, scroll down a bit, and select Detailed Info and Specs. Scroll down again, and tap on kernel version a few times. Usually 5 to 6 times is enough. After that, you will enter the hardware test mode. On this page, tap SIM card test. See if the test shows passed or fail. Then go back and select SIM card tray detect. Check if this test shows successful or not. You can eject and reinsert your SIM card to take this test again. The test might give you a different result in that case. If one or both of these tests fail, then it usually means that there is a hardware issue with your SIM card slot. In that case, you'll need to take your phone to Xiaomi Support Center for help. But if both of the tests pass, then you can try out these 3 solutions to fix your problem. Solution 1 allows SIM activation service all permission. If this is a new SIM card, it may still be waiting for carrier activation. So let's go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down to Apps. Tap on it. Then on Manage Apps panel, tap the search bar. Search for SIM and select Xiaomi SIM activation service. Tap on App Permissions from here. Make sure to give this setting all the permissions. Tap on each of the permission options from here and confirm the permissions individually. Once all the permissions are given, go back to App Management Settings. This time, search for Find Device. Once this app shows up, tap on it. Now select Clear Cache and confirm your choice. Then force stop the app. After that, restart your phone and check your issue. Solution 2. Enable Airplane Mode. Airplane Mode can refresh your network settings in case the problem is related to a bug. Swipe down from your phone to open your control center. Toggle on Airplane Mode for 10 seconds. After that, toggle it off. Once that's done, try checking your issue. Hopefully, this time your problem will be fixed. That's how you fix the SIM card activation issue on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped, please like it and subscribe for more easy phone fix guides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.